All right, we're gonna check out the neighborhood for the tornado over here off right off Bundy. People drive down here like some of them. I'm gonna focus on the positive stuff right here. All right. Okay. Oh, for the white chip. It's the houses out here been hit by the tornado, New Orleans tornado. Listen to some music while we rolling through the neighborhood. Something here, them people scoping out the houses. I don't know what they doing over there. Look like they're trying to look for something to steal. Who knows? Hope not. Go on Sean Bird Elementary School. Everybody went over there to Sean Bird. Might want to see what it's looking like. Across the street from Sean Bird. People trying to hit the metal right there. People trying to get that aluminum. Sean Bird. How's the street size not up? And look at that house down. This neighborhood pretty cool. All right, y'all. I'll fit y'all back later on today with some more of this tornado out here, New Orleans East, Bundy and Hammond.